Welcome back to Jeff Outdoors. Well, guys, it's about 71 degrees out, and it is a pretty nice afternoon. I can't say I'm really ready for summer yet. Uh, we still have some cool weather coming after this week. It's supposed to be warm in the 60s still all week, so I have a little bit of sap that I am boiling right now, finishing off. I don't know, I probably have like 15 gallons in there, but it's pretty much done. I did this past weekend, made a run up to Bissell Maple Farm and got to spend the afternoon with the Bissell Maple folks. And thank you, Nate, to just being outgoing and friendly and inviting. And I think everybody who was there this weekend at the Bissell Open House would say the same thing. I can really tell and sense that everybody's a family there, and seems like things work really well, and everybody's pretty happy there. So that was awesome. Bissell Maple's up in Jefferson, Ohio, which is about an hour and 40 minutes from me. Not a bad drive. I just go out to Youngstown and take 11 north and go right into town, so it's really not bad. But nice farm country up that way, of course. Northeast Ohio, lots of farm country. And just had a wonderful time. They had a band playing, pancakes, syrup, sausage. Awesome time. So if you're watching out of the state of Ohio and you have sugar shacks around the state, and there's open houses, go visit your local maple producer and support that. And also this past weekend, I had kind of a little open house. I just have some friends on Facebook and stuff that are always interested in my maple syrup, so I kind of set aside a few hours on Sunday yesterday to have, if you wanted to stop by and see. I had some sap to boil, so I was boiling sap, and I had some of my bottles of syrup and everything. So set aside a few hours, come by, hang out, grab a bottle of syrup. Really nothing big, pretty much last second and last minute thing, and it was cool. I had a few people show up, so not a big deal. Might do it again next year. We'll see. I'm currently on 50 taps. I would like to actually be at 100 next year, which would be double. And my plan is to make a run up to Richard's Maple up in Kirtland here in Ohio by Cleveland. Has an evaporator that I'm kind of eyeballing. It's a nice 2x4, and I think it would work well. And maybe just getting to that next little level of volume of syrup where I want to be, that's all. So nothing huge. So planning for next year already and just getting some ideas. I got all summer. I got gardening season, strawberry season coming up. So plenty to do. I just made sauerkraut and elderberry syrup this past week. I make ghee for the house, so we cook with ghee and everything. And we stay away from all those seed oils and all that junk, So got some noisy neighbors down here doing some tree work, and he's got some blowers out and everything down there. He's usually got a big bonfire back in those woods there, but I don't know. So maple season 2024. I mean, it's here and it's gone, and that's what it is. Yeah, yep. It's been great following along with every other mapler out there. Chris at the Jack Homestead. Seems like you had a good long season out there in Northeast PA, and some other guys up in Michigan. I've been watching, and we have another weekend coming up this weekend for Maple Open House. So last weekend I was at Bissell, and I actually stopped in at Sugarbush Creek Farm, which is just about 30 minutes from there. I was kind of running out on time in my day, so made another quick stop on my way home, but probably going to go down to Weaver's or another Sugar Shack nearby, just to hang out and, talk maple. I always buy syrup at the other guys' places too. I support everybody, and I just think it's a really neat thing to be doing, and it's cool to talk to other people who do it. So, yeah, pretty good season. Probably half of what I normally do, 3/4 maybe. I haven't really tallied everything up yet, so I think this winter was just really warm. Our ground really never froze, maybe for a couple days, which is wild to say and see. So maybe this next winter will be better. We'll have some snowpack and maybe get that season to go the right way for us. I don't know. That's kind of the cool thing about maple is you don't know what you're going to get. Every time I walk up to a bucket, if it's full or just about to overflow, it's like a little Christmas present. Anyways, well, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, tuning in, and spring and summer coming up, and probably lots going on. You never know. Till then, thank you for liking and subscribing.